All right, let's get this. All right, let's go, lads. Does it come up? Trades, let's see. Yep, there you go. Perfect. All right. GJ sells below 164, of course. Let's see if we can get a good closure below this level. Excuse me. All right, let's see this. I think we could get some sells below this 250 level itself. Right over here, 260 and 240. Once we break this zone right over here, it should be pretty good for some sells. Awesome. So let's see if we can get a nice little closure below the zone. 16 pips. So as seen, we're following the downward pattern. You're not worried about 30 weight, no top wick. See, Andrew, for me, the reason why I'm not worried about the 30 minutes is because there's 25 minutes left. So in 25 minutes, we'll see what's gonna play out. In 25 minutes. So let's see. We got time. Wait, let's just mark this up. So these are risky sells, closure below 164 to 50. Okay, and these are sells below 164. And of course, we're waiting for closure. So our bias is bearish, right? You all can see our bias is bearish. That's not gonna change. Let's just change that. So remember that our bias for the day is bearish. The only way my bias will change is if we break above this trend line, right? To then create that. Until then, my bias will remain bearish. Alright, until then, my bias is bearish. Andrew, does that make sense? Yo, Jean Trading, what's good, man? Alright, let's get this one popping off. Alright, gold sales yesterday was banger, man. That's true. Gold sales yesterday were pretty intense, not gonna lie. So GJ, you kind of got the idea I'm looking at. You see that? It's just coming down, GJ. So nicely just coming down like that. Let's see what happens over here. Is there any potential bias? No. The upside momentum is nasty. It's not clean, you know, so I'm not looking for buys exactly, I would say. Euro JPY, I don't mind buys above the 600 level. You see that? That's what I'm technically looking for. Let's see. This also is right over here. The problem is this is the major supply zone right over here at 400. At 400 major supply zone, so that's why we're looking at it. Euro JPY, let's see what plays out on EJ. Let's see what plays out. That's the only clean traffic I see on EJ. Any other clean traffic maybe below here. Right below that would be nice. So we have this clean traffic range to the left, right? So this could be a target range that we're looking at. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pips is that? Almost 60 pips. That's a nice target range on EJ. Let's see. GJ is breaking down. Look at that. GJ is slowly breaking down. Let's see. Would we be able to catch anything on GJ? There is some news coming out, right? Oh, news has already come out. Alright, so that was a move based on news. Alright, let's see. Will we get GJ sells? Man, GJ is moving nice. Alright, let's see what's good. GJ sells below this level looks good. AUD. Oh man, we missed the sells on AUD USD. Beautiful sells on AUD USD. Let's see how this closes. What are you guys looking for? What are you guys looking for? GJ, we're reaching 164 flat. Wow, GJ just moved. That just moved like crazy right now, GJ. We need to see EJ do a little bit of a breakout. That would be very nice. Is this in here? Man, GJ is going for it.
Morning.
Good morning, Scotty. I think if once we break this low, 940, GJ is gonna dump. 15 pips stops. Be careful, lads. GJ news, the AJ possible sells.
Excuse me, sorry.
No problem, Scotty. Interesting, let's see. GJ should continue down now. No top wick, just random continuation. No topic on the 3-hour time frame. Interesting, 30 pips on GJ from the lows. And EJ is pushing up, so I'm guessing this is GBP news that's fluctuating. So let's just wait. Let's see if we get a nice closure. But look at this. This is a 3-hour high, this is a 3-hour candle with no top wick, which is very interesting. Higher time frame candle with no top wick. Let's see what happens. AUD, USD, Euro, AUD. Let's see gold. So gold is in this range, guys. We're not gonna touch it until it breaks out of the range. The weekly time frame, we have now come down below this range. Interesting. Next weekly candle, I'd expect to pull back to this level. Let's see, can we pull back to this level next week before dropping? Daily time frame. Yeah. But daily time frame, we have this also. Alright, let's see. This gold looks interesting. Yep, this is the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what happens. We're waiting for the breakout of this level. Same way we saw the breakout of that level. Gold has dropped 600 pips in the last 3 days, guys. Don't you all think that's absolutely insane? Absolutely insane. Gold has dropped 600 pips in the last few days. We're just gonna wait on it. Let's see. What are the other pairs that are looking pretty active right now? What are the pairs that are looking pretty active? Good morning, Nathan. What's good? Good morning, Nathan. That is okay. Yo, what's good, man? GJ News. Yeah, GJ News just drove this very swiftly. Very, very swiftly. Interesting. Look at this daily time frame slowly coming down. The weekly on US 30 is now breaking. Interesting. So we got this weekly level on US 30. This one too. Oh man, it drops straight off from this level. Beautiful, look at that. Literally just ranged in this zone and just dropped. So that just shows you guys how important your key levels and zones are. Anirudh, what's good, man? Anirudh, how you doing? Been a great minute, eh? How y'all been? What's been popping off? Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Let's keep going. All right, so that is the weekly levels of supply we're looking at. Coming back down to this demand right over here. Fantastic, Anirudh. Happy for you, man. All right, there you go. So this is the level which we're right now approaching down here. Let's see anything kind of crucial or vital over here. Let's see, we're coming into a daily demand almost over here, which we'd want to see play out. Right, so let's see what this daily demand is going to do. EJ is trying to push up. Fantastic. Let's see if EJ can close up there. Even GJ looks like he wants to push up. Let's see. There should be a really good supply zone in this level to come back up on GJ. Come back up to at least. If EJ starts popping up, right? Let's see, will GBP gain strength? So we know JPY is weak for today. Let's see. So today we're like rejecting that on the DXY. So DXY we're still struggling a little. But the higher time frame on DXY, we're still bullish. On DXY. So let's see what we do when we come up to perhaps this region. Let's see if we can continue this up. Oh, GBP USD, what a beauty. Following the trend, market structure, every single thing was there in this trade on GBP USD. Let's see. Let's do our top-down analysis on GJ in MetaTrader 5. Right, monthly. Support 2. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly resistance. Support. So let's go to the daily time frame. Alright, so we can see how this exact thing is playing out again and again. Let's see what are the levels at which it's playing out. Okay, so that's 16500 to 165,500. Perfect. So there you go. That is the level at which we're playing over here. $161. Yeah, I'm gonna actually keep it nice and thick, this zone. So this should come down to fill in this gap, honestly, on the daily. It should come down, fill in this range, and then perhaps make a higher low to continue up. But yeah, let's see what happens. That's a key level right over there. So we're coming down. So as we're coming down, we need to find a demand zone which will help this bounce off of. Is this good enough demand? Previously used this demand. Or should we go even lower and use this demand? So this is the demand zone we'll be using. It one 6 3 200. Alright, so that's the level we'd be expecting GJ to at least come down to and then continue off of. That would be almost a 50% retracement of the range too. Right, if I'm not mistaken. Or where it's at is the 50% retracement. Very interesting. So will we reject or will we come further down? So yeah, let's see what happens to GJ within the zone. We have a good 80-90 pips in this zone, this next zone. So let's just look at this. 164. $164,250. So if we don't break 164,250, then we're pretty much looking at retracing from this region. So 164,250. Let's just mark that out on our trading view. So right over here, we've got it marked out already. 164 to 164,250. Beautiful. 165 to 164,800. So that's the level we'd be looking to break above, retest, and continue up if we're gonna continue up, guys. Tony Gold, what's good? I'm in AUD USD Extreme. Beautiful. AUD USD sells. We've been talking about that from morning with the Banger Squad. AUD USD sells. So this would have been the entry right over here. You should. Honestly, if I was anyone in the chat, I'd be holding AUD USD sells for up to this next support. That's what I would be looking at. Expecting the continuation. Alright, GJ. But expecting the break of that minus support right over there to fill in this entire candle. Alright, so let's see, can we get the candle closure below this level that will help us continue down here, or will we have to get the candle closure? Okay, so this is the supply we're looking at, my bad. Let me just leave that alone. I don't know why I touched that. The demand is up here. There you go. You guys can see it right over there. Alright, so for me, that would be the move. So it's either this up to resistance or this back down to support. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Zain from Kenya, beautiful, beautiful. Richard Crafton. I have no problem with that, man. Whatever works for us. You changed how I do trading, and that has changed my life in this third world. Beautiful, amazing. Yo, Tony Gold, what's up? A1 Media, always there to help, man. Always there to help. EJ is absolutely moving up. Let's see, EJ buys above 143,600. Alright, let's see. Will we get a nice little closure below this level, which we can take more sells off of. Gold is starting to move down. I don't particularly want to take gold. Gold was a good sell from here. But like I said, I wouldn't particularly have taken gold. Yeah, I don't think I would have taken gold intentionally. So yeah. What about you guys? Let's see. Gold looks interesting. We broke out of this zone, so gold should continue down by all means. AUD USD also continuing down. Alright, GJ closing 5 minutes. I'm expecting GJ to come down to this next range. Let's see. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's see how GJ closes. It's Friday. Once London open, she going to do a big pullback. Yeah, GJ, possible of a big pullback. Let's see. EJ is looking pretty decent, but we're not yet breaching the highs. GBP, let's see, Euro AUD. Euro AUD bounced so well. You'd be 20 pips up at least. This is called for the banger squad. Euro AUD. GBP USD also called. Euro USD. This one is the very shady one, guys. Euro USD. Because Euro is strong also. GJ, let's see what GJ is gonna do. Let's see, GJ's pull him up. Gold doing what gold do best. Let's see UJ. Ooh, UJ bounced off at this level. Really nice. We have 50 pips already. Pretty decent. I think UJ is gonna continue further. Look at this 4-hour candle breaching these highs. 3-hour candle. Ali candle. What do you guys think about UJ closure above 700? UJ closure above 700. Okay, UJ. What do you guys think about UJ buys? Alright, Tony Gold talking about gold. Interesting. Do a pullback? Yeah, I think a nice pullback would be good. Yeah, a nice pullback would be interesting. EJ above looks like the play for me. Yeah. That's what I'm waiting for too. GJ. GJ, there's no 3-hour top wick. Let's see. Let's see. I'm not too sure. We're just waiting for it, lads. We're just waiting. Let the trade come to us. Let the trade come to us. Alright. You see, GJ, we're in this downtrend. We don't want to counter trend trade as such. Right? Even though this 5-minute has closed engulfing, counter trend trading wouldn't be something that we're looking at. Although GJ back up to that level would be very nice. You guys get what I mean? That would be very nice. Because we know that GJ on the higher time frame is due a pullback, and we know this level is the demand slash supply zone, so we could pull back, tap this trend line again to continue back down, which is a huge possibility. Let's see gold. Markets open in 30 minutes, boys. In 13 minutes. How many of you watched the Call of Duty Next event last night? Alright. Remember, we don't want to counter trend. Nope, don't play much card. When looking at the new Ferrari SUV though, not sure about. The new SUV, yeah. Very true. So yeah, let's see. Not that the new Ferrari SUV is pretty interesting. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Let's get it in the chat. Let's see. Where are you guys from in the chat? Put it down in the chat. Where are you guys from? And what are you guys looking at trading? Or what do you guys trade? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, guys, what you guys are trading in the chat. UJ buys Daniel and DK, beautiful. India, Extreme from India, beautiful. Ghana, wow, we got quite a few new guys in the chat. Futures indices, Yas from New UK, true. Not much Forex except your trades. Beautiful, yes. Alright, GJ trying to close down. Let's see, 9 minutes left. For me, I need a closure, lads. Let's see. If we get a good closure, then you know I will be in. Baltimore, Maryland. All right. Morning, I'm in blue. Beautiful. This should continue with this 3-minute engulfing candle. But I do want it to wait a minute. If we break this low, we haven't had a closure, so let's just wait for a closure. Let's just wait for a closure. Closure is essential. I'm in ESL looking for EJ buys. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on, 7 minutes to London Open. We're almost gonna get a sell, guys. We're almost gonna get a sell. Let's just wait for this to close. Let's see, come on. If GJ gives us a good close, we could take a good sell. Nathan from Rwanda only trades GJ, beautiful. Like I said, GJ has potential to come all the way down here, so we just need the closure. Wait for the pullback. 27 pips. Kind of frustrated, but it's alright. Just give it a minute, lads. Just give it a minute. This is a 5-minute candle, so let's just wait. Let's just wait. It looks like London also is just gonna come and drop. Alright, very nice. Alright, come on. I want the 30-minute to close. I don't mind it closing exactly where it is, to be honest. I just want London volume to come and push it down. I just want the London volume to push it down. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. 5-minute again. If it closes below. Yeah, let's just see. Once this 30-minute closes, I will short it. I will short it exactly like that. Because you know it's a 1 hour, it's a new 1 hour candle too. And I believe there's enough range to continue down. So that's why. But if it closes back above, then you guys know we're not shorting it. I just need to close below key psychological level 164.
Perfect.
'Let's see how this closes. Hmm. One minute left. One minute left. Let's see. Euro JPY waiting for the closure above this level, but doesn't look like we're gonna get it right now. The 2 hour will close though, but I need the next 2 hour to make a bottleneck and then start moving up. One minute left. Let's see. About 20 seconds left. It's closing very weak, guys. So we're just gonna wait on this. We're closing weak, but the 30-minute is closing below this. The only problem is we have a huge rejection wick, so we're not getting in on this. The 1 hour has closed below. So what we could potentially do, the play that we could potentially have is this. Allow it to do whatever it wants, and if we break this previous 1 hour low, right? Let's break in all of this to the left and filling in this range. That's the 2 hour candle low too. So we have ample range over here. So that would be a nice one. That would be a good one. So let's see. We could have a sell stop below here. 3. Euro JPY, I think we need a bottom wick first. Before we continue. Yeah, EJ only above that level. Gold also pulling back, interesting. Let's see if we can do this. Come on, gold, give us a nice little pullback. Candle flip, Andrew. We gotta wait and see, Andrew. Not yet candle flip. At least from this level, I need to see some engulfing candles. After that, we'd be able to sell it easily. Because at that point, it would kind of be like that. So that would be good. So let's see if the next 3 minute could give us an engulfing, or are we going to start breaking this minor structure? That will give us a better idea. Remember guys, we have sell stops, but they're not activated. It's because DXY is pulling back a little. Alright, let's take a look at that. DXY is pulling back a little, yup, at the resistance like we spoke about. We're now in the demand of the DXY, so let's see what happens. Pull back, continuation, let's see. Come on gold, let's pull back nicely to 162 flat. Alright, come on GJ. If this 3 minute engulfs and closes, I will short it right over there. Let's see, 2 minutes left. Two minutes left. 1 minute left. Let's see what's good. Let's see what's good, chat. Excuse me. Euro JPY is trying to pull back too. Let's see what happens. Yesterday we caught a banger trade on GJ. We would have been up 150 pips by now if we just held on to yesterday's trade with the banger squad. 5-minute candle is closing bearish on GJ. Or pretty much doji bearish. Interesting. So 1 minute left for this 3-minute candle to close. If we close engulfing, remember guys, my position will be moved to that. But we need to engulf it first. 30 seconds. Ooh. The engulfing has disappeared. Alright, as you can see, it's not done there. So now I will look away and just wait on the setup I'm currently looking at. Just be patient and wait for the trade to come to you. Alright, gold is pulling back to our level. Let's see what happens. Potential for continuation. One minute left. Let's see what's gonna happen now. We can have a much smaller stop. But we have to close nice and bearish over here. $20 seconds left. Alright, very nice. I'm gonna short it right over here. Expectation to continue down, so let's see. Expectation to continue driving down. So this is the 5-minute candle closure, so we could have a small pullback. That's not a problem. We could have a potential pullback. Yeah, that's not a problem. Expectation for price to continue even lower. So if we break these highs, I will close 50%. I don't want price to start breaking highs. I want price to continue breaking lows. Alright, so let's see. We need these 1-minute candles to continue breaking lows and ultimately break this low. What's happening on gold? Gold is at our interest zone. Oh yes, you already shorted it. Alright, gold is at our interest zone. Let's see what it's able to do over here. Because this is like the break and retest of the zone, right? DXY, interesting. Alright, GJ is up 6 pips. What did yesterday? 16, today is 17th. Oh wait, today's 16th? Oh. 16th September. Yeah. 8 pips. Beautiful. I'm expecting GJ to break and continue. Let's continue breaking. That's 9 pips. 10 pips, so that's a break-even trigger. Alright, that's 12 pips. We're continuing down. So those who want to close partials, now is a good time to close partials. We broke this low, so now I want it to continue breaking with momentum. I want it to continue breaking with momentum. I don't want it to pull back. 10 pip partial, W sell, GBP JPY stream. There you go, guys. You can close partials right now. Fantastic trade. Fantastic trade. Let's go. Beautiful. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, just the way we like it. And like I said, my assumption is for it to continue to fill this range on the higher time frame. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it's fine. So let's see if GJ will pull back or continue lower. Looks like it wants to pull back. Come on, GJ, let's just break those lows and go. An absolute beauty. So, judging from the volume we're getting from this, guys, be careful. Be careful. I want it to continue pushing, but if it doesn't show us what we want to see, we got to be cautious. We got to be cautious. So that's why my stop is 1 pip in profit to cover the commissions, and in case it goes back too fast, it'll cover the slippage too. Beautiful, beautiful lads, beautiful. Plain and simple, very clean. That was a very, very clean trade. I like it. Very clean trade. Wonderful. We could get stopped out over here. Will we get stopped? Oh, almost. Let's see. Now, there you go. Stop at break even. Full closed at break even. So with GJ, that was just the 10 pipper that we were looking at. So that's the GJ trade we just took. Can GJ just continue dropping? GJ would have to break these lows and just continue dropping. Beautiful. 10 pips better than 0 or 100%, Andrew. So that